Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to answer. For this one, we can use about complementary solutions. So I will put about yc. That is about e to the power of lambda t. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda t. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda t. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of lambda t. You got lambda. And now we go to second derivative of yc. And that is about lambda square e to the power of lambda t. So in this one, we have these equations. So I will put this one go in here. This one go in here. And this one go in here. Now, we can do about factorization. So, we need to find the solutions of this one. So this one, we have lambda equals to number 1 minus I, and lambda equals to number 1 plus I. So in this case, I will put about S, because this one that is about S, and we have C number 1 e to the power of lambda 1 minus I. And we have t, c number 2, e to the power of 1 plus I, and we have t. So in this case, we can keep like this, and now we have the conditions. That means when t equals to number 0, s equals to number 1. So we put number 1 go in here. E to the power of number 0, we have number 1. Similar for this one. The next one, we need to do first the derivative of s. So we have like this. So we put number 0 go in here and here. This one you got number 0 in here. So for this one, we can put like this. So I, that is for C number 2. And negative I with C number 1, we have this one in here. So we know that C1 plus C number 2, that is about number 1. So I will put number 1 go to the left, and then we divide both sides by I. And now we have the system of equations. So we sum two equations, and this one we have C number 2. Choose C number 2 equals to 1 plus 1 over I. And then we divide both sides by number 2. So we put C number 2 go back in here, and we can find C number 1. That is number 1 minus 1 over 2. We have 1 over 2 minus number 1 over 2i. So this is the answer. Now we put C number 1 and C number 2 go back in here. And this is the final answer. I forget negative number 1 in here. So that should be like this. Sorry about that. This is the end. Thank you for watching.